Let's learn how to crochet scrunchie. To begin, make a slip knot. You can do it in any way you prefer. And then attach it to the hair tie. Then chain 1 to begin round 1. So for round 1, we'll place single crochet all around the hair tie. To single crochet, insert your hook into the hair tie. You never pull up a loop. You have 1-2 loops. You never pull through all. So continue placing a single crochet all around the hair tie. I meet you at the end. I'm at the end of round 1. To finish off this round, we slip stitch into our first single crochet. For round 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And this chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. Into the same stitch, we place 2 double crochet. To do a double crochet yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So place another double crochet into the same stitch to have a total of 3 double crochet, including the chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet. So into the next stitch, place 3 double crochet. This is 1. Place another 2 into the same stitch and place another double crochet into the same stitch to have a total of 3 double crochets. So we'll be placing 3 double crochet into each stitch around. Continue repeating this pattern all around. I meet you at the end. Once you're at the end of round 2, to finish off that round, we slip stitch into our chain 3. And then we're done with round 2. For round 3, we chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as our first double crochet. And into the same stitch, we place 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. To have a total of 3 double crochets, including the chain 3. Into the next stitch, place 3 double crochets. So continue placing 3 double crochets into each stitch all around. I'll meet you at the end of the round. Once you're done with round 3, to finish off, we slip stitch into our first double crochet, which was our chain 3. Then after that, chain 1 and cut off the yarn, leaving some inches of yarn to weave in your ends later. So I take my darning needle to weave in my ends. And cut off the rest of the yarn to finish your scrunchie. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and share. If you're new, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a tutorial. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial.